Hi students, welcome to next session. In previous session, exercise 9.2, first two questions completed. We'll continue next problem. So question number 3, next question. In an AP, the first term is two and the sum of the first five terms is 1/4 of the next five terms. First, show that twentieth term is minus 112. So, what they given? In an AP, first term is 2. First term is nothing but A. A value 2 is given. And sum of the first five terms is equal to 1/4 of the next five terms is given. First we can take the first five terms and next five terms. Let A, comma, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D are first five terms of AP. First five terms of AP. Next, let A plus 5D, A plus 6D, A plus 7D, A plus 8D, A plus 9D are next five terms of AP. Next five terms of AP. And given that first term is 2, given A equal to 2, first term is nothing but A. Now according to given data, so according to given data, first sum of first five terms is equal to, sum is nothing but addition, sum of A plus D plus A plus 2D plus A plus 3D plus A plus 4D. Sum of first five terms is equal to 1/4 of next five terms. A plus 5D plus A plus 6D plus A plus 7D plus A plus 8D plus A plus 9D. That is given data. So add A terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5A plus D values, D 3D, 3D plus 3D 6D, 6D plus 4D 10D is equal to 1/4. Same thing in right side also. 5A, 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 7 18, 18 plus 8 26, 26 plus 9 35D. So 4 values on the left side, 20a plus 40d equal to 5a plus 35d. 5a 20a minus 5a 15a plus 40d minus 35d 5d is equal to 0. But a value 2 is given. A value 2 is given, we can substitute in that. 15 into 2 plus 5d equal to 0. 15 2s are 30. 30 plus 5d equal to 0. 5d equal to minus 30. D value minus 6. A value 2 we got, D value minus 6 we got. Therefore, 20th term is T20. Tn formula a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus 20 minus 1, 19d. A value 2 plus 19 into d value minus 6. So 2 into minus, plus into minus minus, 19 6 114. 2 minus 114 is minus 112. This is T20 value. He is asking 20th term of that GP. Next problem. How many terms of the AP minus 6, minus 11 by 2, minus 5 are needed to give sum minus 25. So the meaning of this question is how many terms of AP, the sum means Sn equal to minus 25, what is the n value? The terms is given in the terms of AP only. So AP is nothing but what? Difference is same. First term is A. Here A value minus 6, first term. Common difference D equal to A2 minus A1. So second term minus first term. Minus 11 by 2 minus of minus 6. Minus 11 by 2 plus 6. Take LCM. Minus 11 plus 12. 1 by 2. That is D value. A value we know and D value we know. How many terms is needed? N value is asking. N equal to number of terms is asking. So we have Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But the sum is given minus 25, Sn value. Minus 25 equal to n value we don't know. N by 2 into a value is 6. 2 into minus 6. Minus 12 plus n minus 1 into d value 1 by 2. 2 values send here. Minus 50 equal to n into, take LCM, minus 24 plus n minus 1 divided by 2. Again 2 values send left side. Minus 100 equal to n into n square, minus 24 minus 1 minus 25. Minus 25 into n minus 25 n. So minus 100 values send right side. N square minus 25n plus 100 equal to 0. This we can split minus 20 and minus 4. Sorry, minus 5. Minus 20n minus 5n plus 100 equal to 0. While adding this, we need to get this, and multiplying extreme product we need to get. Like that, we need to split the middle term. Now n value take common, n minus 20, and minus 5 take common, n minus 20 is equal to 0. From both n minus 20 we can take common. N minus 20 into n minus 5 equal to 0. N value either 5 or 20. You can take any value of n to get sum is minus 25. And next problem. In an AP, if P term is 1 by Q and Q term is 1 by P, prove that the sum of first PQ term is 1 by 2 into PQ plus 1, where P is not equal to Q. Here we need to calculate SPQ value. For that, first term is required, common difference is required. So to calculate that, they given the condition TP is 1 by Q, TQ is 1 by P. From that we can calculate A and D. So given P term means TP equal to 1 by Q implies TP is nothing but A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to 1 by Q. Next TQ is equal to 1 by P implies A plus Q minus 1 into D equal to 1 by P. Take equation 1, 2. Subtract 1 and 2. 1 minus 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. So 1 by Q, A plus P minus 1 into D minus A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to, right side subtraction, 1 by Q minus 1 by P. Left side A cancel, multiply with P into D minus D minus, multiply with minus Q into D, so minus or minus plus D is equal, take LCM, P minus Q divided by PQ. Here D cancelled. So which one we can take common? Left side D we take common, D. So remaining is P minus Q is equal to P minus Q by PQ. So P minus Q cancelled, D value 1 by PQ. Common difference we got. To get the first term, you can substitute any equation, either 1 or 2. From 1, what is first equation? A plus P minus 1 into D is 1 by PQ is equal to 1 by Q. A plus P into 1 by PQ, PP cancel, 1 by Q minus 1 by PQ is equal to 1 by Q. 1 by Q cancel, A equal to 1 by PQ. First term we got and difference also we got. SPQ we need to find. SPQ is equal to, formula is PQ by 2, N by 2, general formula N by 2, N means PQ, N by 2 into 2A plus PQ minus 1 into D. So in place of N, PQ by 2, 2 into A value 1 by PQ means 2 by PQ plus PQ minus 1 into D value 1 by PQ. So PQ divided by 2, take LCM for this. PQ is LCM 2 plus PQ minus 1. So PQ cancel, PQ plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1 divided by 2. It also we can write 1 by 2 into PQ plus 1. Is asking sum of PQ terms is 1 by 2 into here 1 by 2 into PQ plus 1. Next problem. If the sum of certain number of terms of the AP (25, 22, 19 and so on) is 116. Full stop. Find the last term. Find the last term. Here they given Sn value, but n we don't know. Sum of certain numbers means Sn of AP is 116. Then find the last term means L we need to calculate. So given Sn equal to 116 and AP terms is given A value 25. First term common difference 22 minus 25 minus 3. So A, D and we given n we need to find. After that we can get the last term. So Sn formula n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. That is general formula for Sn. Sn value 116 is equal to n by 2 into 2A 2 into 25 50 plus n minus 1 into D value minus 3. So 2 values sent here 232. 116 into 2 equal to 232 is equal to n into 50 minus 3 into n minus 3n minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. So 232 is equal to n into 50 plus 3 53 minus 3n. So 232 is equal to multiply with n 53n minus 3n square. These two values send left side 3n square minus 53n plus 232 equal to 0. So while splitting this 3n square minus 24n minus 29n you can write. While adding these two minus 53 will come. While multiplying this extreme product 3 into 232 that will come in plus 232 equal to 0. From these two take 3n common n minus 8. From these two minus 29 take common n minus 8 is equal to 0. From both n minus 8 we need to take common 3n minus 29 is equal to 0. n minus 8 equal to 0. 3n minus 29 equal to 0. n value 8. Here n value 29 by 3. It's not possible because n is the positive integer we need to take. That's what it's not possible. N equal to 8 we got. Last term equal to last term L equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A value first term 25 plus n value 8. 8 minus 1 into D value minus 3. So 25 plus 7 into minus 3 plus 7 into minus 3. 8 minus 1 is 7. So 25 minus plus into minus minus 25 minus 21 is 4. Next problem, find the sum to n terms of the AP whose k term is five k plus 1. So Sn we need to find. So for that k term is given. Solution, given Tk equal to k term is 5k plus 1. If I will substitute k value 1, first term will get T1 k equal to 1 means the first term 5 into 1 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. K value 2, second term will get 5 to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. K value 3, T3 equal to 5 3 15 plus 1 equal to 16. The terms are, so now terms are 6, 11, 16. Answer in AP. If you observe, difference everything is same for each term, 2 consecutive terms. Here A equal to 6, D equal to 11 minus 6, 5. Okay, is asking sum of n terms is asking. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So a and d value substitute. N by 2 into 2 into 6, 12 plus n minus 1 into d value 5. N by 2 into 12 plus 5n minus 5. N by 2 into 12 minus 5 is 7 plus 5n. So 5n plus 7, that is Sn value. So next question, if the sum of n terms of AP is Pn plus Qn square, where P and Q are constants, find the common difference. Find the common difference. So common difference means T we need to calculate. D we need to calculate. To get the D, first two terms are required. So they given Sn equal to sum of n terms of AP. Sn equal to Pn plus Qn square is given. If n value is 1, sum of first term, okay, n equal to 1, S1 equal to P plus Q1 square is 1, that is A1, first term. Next n value is 2, S2 means sum of first two terms, A1 plus A2 is equal to, wherever n is there, 2 substitute, 2P plus 2 square is 4Q. So here A1 plus A2 equal to how much is given? 2P plus 4q is given, but a1 value we know, p plus q plus a2 equal to 2p plus 4q. From this a2, send p and q right side, 2p minus p 4q minus q 3q, that is a2 value. a2 we know and a1 we know. Common difference, d equal to a2 minus a1, d equal to p plus 3q minus a1 value p plus q. So multiply with minus, p plus 3q minus p minus q, p cancel, 3p minus q is, 3q minus q is 2q. That is the difference. And next question, sum of the first p, q, r terms of an AP are A, B and C respectively. Prove that A by P into Q minus R plus B by Q into R minus P plus C by R into P minus Q is equal to 0. That we need to prove. So to proving this, they given condition SP value, sum of P term is A, SQ is B, SR equal to C, that is given. So given SP equal to A implies sum of P term formula P by 2 into 2A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to A. But while observing the left side, A by P into Q minus R is there. A by P, if you know that value, we can multiply with Q minus R. For that, from this P value, send right side. Here into will be there, while sending here divided by A by P equal to 1 by 2 into 2A plus P minus 1 into D. So similar manner, SQ equal to B implies Q by 2 into 2A plus Q minus 1 into D, that equal to B implies P by Q equal to 1 by 2 into 2A plus Q minus 1 into D. So SR equal to C implies R by 2 into 2A plus R minus 1 into D is equal to C, that implies C by R equal to 1 by 2 into 2A plus R minus 1 into D. Now consider LHS value. So we need to prove 0 RHS value. So consider LHS. LHS equal to, what is left hand side value? A by P into Q minus R plus B by Q into R minus P plus C by R into P minus Q. That value we need to prove equal to 0. But A by P value, 1 by 2 into 2a plus b minus 1 into d. Wherever a by p, b by q, c by r, substitute these values in this equation. 1 by 2 into 2a plus p minus 1 into d. A by p into q minus r, that is one term, plus b by q, 1 by 2 into 2a plus q minus 1 into d into r minus p, plus c by r, 1 by 2 into 2a plus r minus 1 into d into p minus q. So if you observe from each multiplication in the terms, 1 by 2 is the common thing will be there. 1 by 2 take out. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 we taken as take out. Remaining is 2a into q minus r. Multiply these two. 2a into q minus r plus pd minus d into q minus r. Multiply this p into d minus d into this term plus these two, 2a into r minus p plus qd minus d into r minus p plus 2a into p minus q plus rd minus d into p minus q. Now multiply each term. 1 by 2, 2a into q, 2aq minus 2ar. Next pd into this term plus pqd minus prd. Next minus d, minus d into q, minus dq, minus d into minus r plus dr. Like same thing, plus 2ar a into p, 2ap multiply qd into rp plus qrd minus qpd minus d into this term minus dr, minus into minus plus dp. Next last one, 2a into p minus q, 2ap minus 2aq plus rd minus d into p minus q, that you should multiply prd minus qrd minus dp plus dq. So if you observe, all terms will be cancelled. 2aq minus 2aq cancelled, minus 2ar plus 2ar cancelled, pqd plus pqd minus pqd cancelled, minus prd plus prd cancelled, minus dq plus dq cancelled, and dr minus dr cancelled, minus 2ap plus 2ap cancelled, qrd minus qrd cancelled, plus dp minus dp. All terms will cancel. 1 by 2 into 0, that is 0, that is RHS value. Next problem, if the sum of first phi term of an AP is equal to sum of the first q terms, comma, then find the sum of the first p plus q terms. So here sum of p term is equal to sum of q terms, means sp equal to sq is given. From that s p plus q value equal to how much I need to calculate. Given sp equal to sq, sum of p term formula p by 2 into 2a plus p minus 1 into d is equal to sum of q term formula q by 2 into 2a plus q minus 1 into d. So both sides 2 2 will cancel. Multiply with p, 2ap plus p into d minus d is equal to 2aq plus q into qd minus d. So all the terms send left side, 2ap minus 2aq plus multiply with p square d minus p into d. Send this side here plus is there while sending here minus q square d plus into minus while sending here it is plus qd is equal to 0. Now from these two 2a we can take common, 2a into p minus q plus p square d q square d we can take common, p square minus q square. Now from this minus d we can take common, p minus q is equal to 0. 2a into p minus q plus d into, it is in the form of a square minus b square form, a plus b into a minus b, p plus q into p minus q minus d into p minus q is equal to 0. From these two p minus q I will take common, 2a into p minus q plus, okay, from both terms, from in these two, from the total p minus q I will take common, remaining 2a plus, here p minus q I taken out, d into p plus q, here p minus q I taken out, minus d is equal to 0. p minus q never be 0. Why? Because if it is 0, p equal to q, no meaning at all. So remaining 2a plus d you can take common, p plus q minus 1 into d is equal to 0 we got. Now he is asking sum of, so let us take, it is equation 1, sum of p plus q term is asking. Yes, p plus q is asking. Formula is p plus q divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is what? P plus q. P plus q minus 1 into d. But from equation 1, the whole 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d value 0. So p plus q divided by 2 into 0, since from 1. So anything value into 0 is 0. Okay. Next problem. if the sum of n terms of an AP is 3n square plus 5n and mth term is 164. Find the value of m. Here Sn is given, sum of n terms is 3n square plus 5n and mth term Tm is given 164. From that m we need to calculate. So if you want to get the Tm, first term is required, common difference is required. First we can calculate first term and common difference based on the Sn. So given Sn equal to 3n square plus 5n. So n value 1 substitute. S1 equal to sum of first term A1. N value is 1. 3 plus 5. 8. N value is 2. S2 sum of first two terms A1 plus A2. N value is 2. 3 into 2 square is 4 plus 5 into 2. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 10 is 22. A1 plus A2 is equal to 22. A1 value 8 plus 22 equal to A2 equal to 22. A2 value 22 minus 18 is 14. So A2 value we got 14 and A1 is 8. Common difference D equal to A2 minus A1. 14 minus 8, 6 we got. Common difference we got and first term also we got. They given mth term. Given Tm is equal to 164. So from that m value we need to calculate. A plus m minus 1 into D is equal to 164. A is nothing but first term. 8 plus m minus 1 into common difference 6 we got is equal to 164. M minus 1 into 6 is equal to 164 minus 8, 156. M minus 1 equal to 156 divided by 6. 6 table. 6 2s are 12. 36 will be there. 66. M equal to 26 plus 1. So m value 27. Now here they given ratio of sum of n and n terms of an AP. Sm, Sn in the ratio m square is to n square. So given Sm is to Sn is equal to m square is to n square. Now is asking ratio of m and nth terms. Tm is to Tn equal to in the ratio we need to prove. So is to is nothing but divided by Sm divided by Sn is equal to m square by n square. These two are different arithmetic progressions. So first term A1, common difference is D1. For this first term is A2, common difference is D2. Let us take separate. M by 2 into 2A1 plus m minus 1 into D1 by n by 2 into 2A2 plus n minus 1 into d2 is equal to m square by n square. m 1 square cancel, n 1 square cancel, 2 also cancel. Remaining is 2a1 plus m minus 1 into d1 by 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 is equal to m by n. So we need to get the mth term. To get the mth term, in place of m, suppose 2m minus 1 is there. So 2m minus 1 minus 2, 2m minus 2, 2 is taken out, we'll get a plus a1 plus m minus 1 into d. So for that, put m equal to 2m minus 1 and n equal to 2n minus 1. Then it is converted into t term and nth term. 2a1 plus 2m minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into d1 divided by 2a2 plus n value is 2n minus 1, 2n minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into d2. In right side also m value is 2m minus 1 divided by n value is 2n minus 1. So from both you can take 2 common. In the numerator we can take 2 common. a1 plus m minus 1 into d1 by, from the denominator also we can take 2 common, a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 is equal to 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. Here 2 will cancel. Finally left side it is in the form of mth term of AP, Tm divided by Tn is equal to 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. Therefore Tm is to Tn is equal to 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. Here question number 13. Insert 5 numbers between 8 and 26 such that the resulting sequence is an AP. This model already we did in the example. So there we taken as 6 numbers. Here instead of 6, 5 numbers. Same procedure only, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Insert that and you can do same thing. 3 marks very important. You can take it as homework. And the next problem, if a power n plus b power n by a power n minus 1 plus b power n minus 1 is the AM, means arithmetic mean between a and b, means this value is equal to arithmetic mean of a and b, then find the value of n. So given that AM is equal to a power n plus b power n divided by a power n minus 1 plus b power n minus 1. Arithmetic mean of 2 numbers we know it already, a plus b by 2 is equal to a power n plus b power n divided by a power n minus 1 plus b power n minus 1. Cross multiply a plus b into a power n minus 1 plus b power n minus 1 is equal to 2 into a power n plus 2 into b power n. Now second term multiply with a into a power n minus 1 plus a into b power n minus 1. Next multiply with b into a power n minus 1 plus b into b power n minus 1 is equal to 2a power n plus 2b power n. So a into a power n minus 1, base is same power, we can add it. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, a power n plus a into b power n minus 1 plus b into a power n minus 1 plus b into b power n minus 1 b power n is equal to 2a power n plus 2b power n. So now send a power n and b power n right side. Already here 2a power n is there. 2a power n minus a power n. So first remaining is a into b power n minus 1 plus b into a power n minus 1 is equal to 2a power n minus a power n plus 2b power n minus b power n n. Now all the terms will send the right side. A power n plus b power n minus ab power n minus 1 minus b into a power n minus 1 equal to 0. So b terms and a terms write one side. Now from this step a into b power n minus 1 we can write b power n divided by b. B term will send here. Here plus will be there minus bn equal to a power n write as it is, remaining b into a power n divided by a we can write. From these two b power n we taken common, so remaining is a by b minus 1. From these two a power n we can take common 1 minus b by a. Now b power n into take LCM a minus b by b is equal to a power n into take LCM a minus b by a. Both side a minus b cancel. B power n divided by b we can write b power n minus 1. A power n divided by a we can write a power n minus 1. So b power n minus value send one side. A power n minus 1 divided by b power n minus 1 equal to 1. A power m by b power n m. So a by b whole power m we can write whenever powers are same equal to this we can write a by b whole power 0. Anything power 0 value is 1. Now bases are equal, power we can also equal. So n minus 1 equal to 0, n value is 1.